How to delete incognito history on Google Chrome for Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear your incognito activity and make sure it's completely removed from your device. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the tab switcher icon at the top of the screen. This will show you all your currently open tabs. From there, switch over to the incognito section by tapping on the incognito icon at the top. At this point, close all your incognito tabs by tapping the X on each one individually, or tap the three dots at the top right and select Close All Incognito Tabs to do it all at once. This automatically wipes the incognito browsing history right away. In the next step, to go even further and make sure everything is fully cleared, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Following this, scroll down and tap on Apps, then scroll through the list and find Chrome. Once done, tap on Chrome to open its app info page, then tap on Storage. From here, tap on Clear Cache to remove any leftover temporary data that may still be sitting on your device. At this stage, go back one more time and tap on Clear Data if you want to do a deeper wipe. Keep in mind this will also reset your Chrome settings and sign you out. Finally, keep in mind that incognito mode is designed to not save your history in the first place, so closing your tabs takes care of it in most cases. The extra steps just give you added confidence that nothing is left behind. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your incognito history on Chrome for Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.